Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Confirm your Hisense TV is on and connected to Wi-Fi, then grab the remote or a paired keyboard. Open the TV's web browser or the Google app. This is where you'll type. If the TV asks, sign into your Google account so results are personalized. Otherwise, skip. Use the on-screen keyboard or voice input to focus the address bar. Once the cursor is active, you're ready to type your first query. So go ahead and enter a simple phrase like weather or news. Now refine how you search. Type precise keywords, use quotes for exact phrases, and add plus to include mandatory words. If typing is slow, switch to voice search. Press the mic button and speak your query, or pair a Bluetooth keyboard for speed. Once results load, make sure to use Google's filters, images, videos, news, or tools to narrow by time range. Scroll with the remote or directional pad and click links to open them. If a page looks cluttered, use the browser's zoom or desktop mode to improve readability. To finish, bookmark any useful pages and add shortcuts to your home screen for one-click access next time. If search fails, make sure the browser and TV firmware are up to date, then restart the TV and router. If pages still won't load, clear the browser cache and cookies, because stalled data often causes issues. As a fallback, install or open alternative search apps like YouTube or another search engine app. If you still have trouble, contact Hisense support. Mention your TV model and firmware version.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.